What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Mara stock, guys. So this thing has been going up, and it didn't go unnoticed. And also, I talked about this play before this even happened, when the price over the weekend was just around this 200 days moving average, and I was talking about how, guys, this is curving up back again from this blue box that I drew over the weekend from this support zone, and since it has recaptured 200 days moving average, you can expect some upside to come on this level by level. We got to this one level yesterday, and today we are getting to another level. I'll show you a lot more things and we'll talk about more price action, but I first want to show you this particular video, guys. I did this, I covered Mara over this weekend, right, on this crypto analysis. This is that video. Check this out on my channel if you want to know a bit of background on that. And so let's jump right back into it. And I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm just sharing my opinion here, nothing more than that. Okay. So guys, okay, let's go to my swing bot and look at this buy position that we got. Such a neat buy position, and we are already in the money. Look at this thing, looking great. Here we had the buy, right? And look at this massive move, still profitable, looking great, amazing, love it, love it, love it, love it, guys. Okay, I'm loving it. Now, what am I expecting from Mara? So guys, yeah, this is what I was talking about, a start of change of the structure. We curve around and above of that 200 days moving average, and also this was at around the critical level of the previous pivot points at the trend line and the demand zone, and a breakout structure to the upside. So now we are getting very close to this next level of $19.74, and that's where this blue box, another blue box, is. Why this blue box is so important is because if I take you back like 10 years back, all what on Mara, this is where whenever Mara has either reacted quite strongly here as a support, right, or it has reacted quite strongly as a resistance. So support, 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 mostly support once it has been able to get out of it, right? So yeah, this is this play that I already opened on the swings that I just showed you on my bot. This thing can turn into a good squeeze back up. Now look, here's the thing, we level by level is at least what we need to trade, and then have a stop loss, trailing stop loss at least, right, level by level lower. So as I said, the position can be taken around 200 days moving average, right, right over here. So the stop loss should be already below that. Now we got above the next level, so the trailing stop loss should be below this level, right? So things like that. I mean, that's up to you how you want to manage your position and the risk. I'm just sharing my opinion here. Now what I expect, yes, I expect this thing to continue higher. Any pullback down to the level of $17.77 is still going to keep it bullish as long as it's not breaking below $17.77 and not closing below that. And yeah, in my opinion, $22.71 back again is the possibility. And then level by level, yeah, I expect the possibility back to $24.67 as well. So, and yeah, but so far, yes, it is bullish, full on bullish. I'm not seeing any sign of weakness on this, and that's what I have been saying. Let's even take a look at hourly interval, and you can see that we have started to form after my bot gave the buy position, higher highs, higher lows, classic uptrend. We have formed the pivots as well. And that's why it's so important to see all these things at these important levels, so that you get the most of the move and the meat, and with the limited stop loss, right? Cool. Yep, guys, looking great. And as I said, any pullback, as long as it's not breaking below around $17.79 or so, any pullback until then is just still gonna keep it long, in my opinion. And yep, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Looking great, right? Perfect. All right, guys, is there anything else for me to cover in this video? Not really. I mean, we have Riot also going up. I'll talk about Riot in another video, but we talked about this as well over the weekend. This thing is looking great. I'll talk about it in another video. Bitcoin is still zigzagging, and but anyways, this is something to talk about in another video as well. But that was for Mara. Let's really quickly take a look at what QQ and SPY are doing so far, even though Mara doesn't really affect QQ and SPY. But let's see. Yeah, it's just a rebound, guys, in the downtrend. It's still, in my opinion, nothing more than that. SPY, yep, a good rebound, but as long as we are below 50 days moving average, it's not bullish. It's just a rebound. All right, guys, that's all for this video. We have we have Tesla's earnings. Nvidia, I did a video this morning. Check that out. You will get to know why we are still bearish, even though we are getting rebound, and price is confirming that to me that we are still in the downtrend. Anyways, check out my video in the morning that I did. It's right here on my channel, right over here, guys, Nvidia stock. All right, guys, that's all for Mara. Hope you got everything that you wanted to know in this video. Oh, well, guys, before wrapping up, let's take a look at 5 minutes as well real quick here. And yep, so 5 minutes looking great, bullish. Yep, similar fashion, right, as I talked about on hourly interval. Pretty much that's the approach that can be followed. All right, guys, well, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools that you just saw in this video that I also use for my day trading, links are in the description below of this video to my tools as well. All right, guys, bye.